Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Pro 2020 model, and you can see this processor is Intel Core i7, and the RAM is 16 gigabytes, and the 13-inch display, and 512 gigabytes. And you can see the battery information. The battery cycle count of 548, and you can see the graphics. And Intel Erase class, and this is the CPU information, and let me show you the display. Okay, you can see the display is okay. No, you can see no no bright spots, no dark spots. Okay, and this is space gray, and you can see the little display, the touch bar. Okay, okay, the function, no problem. No scratches. You can see no scratches. Also the speaker grills, also no scratches. This surface trackpad function is normal, no problem. Yes, it's very hot here because this is the Intel model. Very hot, and you can see this logo surface also no problem. You can see, okay, no problem. No scratches. This surface. And you can see this is 2020 model, 30-inch i7, and 60-inch 512 gigabyte. And let me show you the back. The back, you can see here the scratches here, and okay. And let me show you the charging port. Okay, you can see the port a little bit filtered of use. You can see here, and no scratches. Here is some scratches, little scratches. And the corner also some little scratches. Okay, and here also little scratches here. You can see the corner, no problem, no problem. This price is about approximate price is 3,000, and this is 2020 model. Okay. You can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, this is the 13-inch display. No problem. Okay, see you in the next video.